This video is for educational and informational purposes only. The tools and topics shown are meant to raise awareness, not encourage misuse.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to the time you are watching my video right now. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to get Proxy for free without paying on Android only, not available on iPhone. You know, I've been bringing a lot of deal for iPhone users where Android users are unable to participate. Right now, I bring a deal for Android users as well. This is how to get free Proxy. All you have to do is just to go to your Play Store and download this app. You download this app. You see the name of the app. Then I will leave the link of the app in the description below. Then you download this as well. Do you see that? So those are the two apps you download. You understand? Let me remove it from here. Sorry. So those are the two apps you download. Okay. So once you have those two apps, okay. Let me do it this way. So I'll put the link. I'll put the link in the description below. So you get this from Play Store, okay? It's available on Play Store, but don't worry, I will leave the link in the description below. We don't have much time to explain all that. I'll just leave the link so that you can just easily get it. So all you have to do is first thing you have to do now is to enter this application. Once you enter this app, it will load. Let me put in on my Wi-Fi. Let me connect to Wi-Fi. Now it's loading. Now you have it. So immediately you enter this page. What you have to do right now is to click on this one here, free with ads. Once you click on it, you immediately land here, and the next thing you have to do is just to select your perfect country that you want to be in. So I will choose this. So once I choose this, I will have this. So you have Florida, New York, New Jersey, California, Maryland. All you have to do right now is to click on any one you want to use. So let's click on this. So let me show you where I click on. I click on this. My screen record is cutting. I know if I edit it you won't notice. That's why it will look like I'm skipping. So this is Florida, okay? I click on it. Then all you have to do right now is to watch the ads to open the Proxy, okay?
Bro, this skin is dope as.
So let me mute the sound. I don't know, maybe it might be copyright, you understand? So you allow you allow it to load finish. The ads, the first ad, the second ad. You allow it to load finish. Now it's loading 39 seconds. You know what I mean, for the reward. So we have to wait for it to done loading. So that's it. It's loading. So that is even one of two. Are you kidding me? So you can go back to your app. I don't know why it carries out. So here we go. This one is just 15 seconds ads. So once it's done right now, you have your Proxy. So now you can cancel it. You have already have the reward. As you can see, this is your host number and this is your username and this is your password, okay? So what you have to do right now is to copy this and copy this. So since we have the same thing as username and password for our Proxy, so you might copy one, okay? So the next thing you have to do right now is to go to turn to tab for Android. So once you reach there, the next thing you do is you embrace your authentication setting. You click on it. Can you see? Then your your host is what you put at this top here. So that's what you put, and your host is this. Do you get that? Then the username you have is the same password you have. you input this and you do the same to your password as well. Then you connect.
Calling all traders. Want to compete?
Once you connect, all you have to do right now is to wait for it to connect. Once you're done connecting and you see now you have your proxy connected, then you can do whatever you want with it. Now you can skip this. Can you see connected? Do you see the logo sign up VPN here? But it's proxy, not VPN. So now if you need any VPN to run your stuff, you can easily use that. Okay, you can use that. Okay, so that's it. That's all we have to teach today. So but if you don't want that, you can easily choose any state, you understand. And addition to that, if you select a proxy that is holding down your network, that is hanging your phone, all you have to do is just to disconnect and connect to another one that you see that it's better. Okay, so that's what you have to do. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Meet next tutorial again with another hotkey. Bye.